Your MLBB edited background music keeps fading out? This is the easiest tutorial and it removes it completely. Most people mess this up and that's why their audio still cuts. First, download Spank Editor's archiver and your music file. Before anything, convert your MP3 into WAV. If you skip this, it won't work. Now, open Zarchiver and create 2 folders, Edited and Raw.
Okay.
Go to this path. If access is denied, follow the on-screen guide or check the description. Search BGM and choose a file with main city. This part matters. Copy it and paste it into your raw folder. Open SBank Editor. Load that file. Then save it into your edited folder. Now this is where most people fail. Go back to Zarchiver, open Edited. Then replace the original file in the Mobile Legends Bang Bang directory. Open the game. Go to Settings, Sound, and select your edited music. Now your music won't fade or cut off anymore. If it still fades, comment down below. I will try my best to answer your questions.